Hi, everybody, and welcome back. Today we are doing the reveal of the Cosmic Wisdom Tarot by Ethony. I actually got to interview her, so the interview is on this YouTube channel. I will add the link below. You guys are going to love her. She is so real and so awesome. So let's check this out because I'm super excited to see this tarot deck. I love tarot cards, as you guys know, and I have the intuitive tarot certification coming up in September 11, 2025. So go on over to my website if you guys are interested. But okay, I've taken off the plastic. I love it. I love it. And look, there's like this little metal flap. And let's look inside. Wow. It says, the wisdom of the universe is in your hands. Cosmic Wisdom Tarot. I'm in love. All right, here we go. And let's see, inside. Is that not gorgeous? I'm going to put it down right here. And let's look at the book. There you go. And let's see. Oh, wow. And look where I go, right to the death card. Look at that. That is amazing. So it says, death is the greater equalizer. It doesn't matter if you're poor or rich or where in the world you're from. Death is an experience we all eventually go through. Death doesn't discriminate. Oh my goodness. So she describes within here what it looks like is the symbols within her cards. So it's easier for you to connect with the cards. It is beautiful. So she does that for each and every card. And over here, ooh, okay. And now we're in the suit. So each of the suits, so this is the cup, so it's blue, as I don't know if you guys can tell. And then we're in the swords, and then the color of the paper switches a bit. It looks almost like a light lilac, and this looks like a light mint green. And now what is this? The pentacles. And let's see, what is the color of the last one? Oh, the wands. This is like a peach skin tone. Oh, I love how she did that. She color coordinated each of the tabs so you can see. It's hard to see here on video, but when you have the book, you can see the different colors to tell which suit you are in. I love it. All right, so let's open this up. Oh, I like that. I love the size of these tarot cards because they're the traditional size of a tarot card, which is nice to hold. And here we go. This is the first edition, a limited print of 2000. So it's a limited print of 2000 cards. Oh my goodness. I'm already in love. Look at how beautiful they are. The Fool. Oh, I love that. And we have the Magician. Let me just move that here. We have the High Priestess. We have the Empress. We have the Emperor. Look at the colors. They are stunning, and the gold is beautiful. The hair font. We have the Lovers. And we have the Lovers again. Oh, a little bit more covered up. So we have the Lovers. We have the Chariot. We have the Strength card. We have the Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. Justice. The Hanged One. Yes. Just had to double check with my glasses. There you go. Death. Oh, we have Temperance. We have the Devil. We have the Tower. Well, that's a bit intense, the Tower. We have the Star card. Beautiful. The Moon. I love the Moon card. The Sun. Judgment. the world. And that is the end of the major arcana. So now we go to the minor arcana. And here we go. And in the minor arcana, you have 4 suits, starting with the suit of the cups. So there's the Ace of Cups, 2 of Cups, 3 of Cups, 4 of Cups, 5 of Cups, 6 of Cups, 7 of Cups. Oh, this is an interesting card. 8 of Cups, 9 of Cups, 10 of Cups, Page of Cups, the Knight of Cups, Queen of Cups, King of Cups. There we go. The Ace. Now we're in a new suit. So now we are in the Ace of Swords. 2 of Swords. 3 of Swords. 4 of Swords. 5 of Swords. 6 of Swords. 7 of Swords. 8 of Swords. 9 of Swords. 10 of Swords. And here we go. The Page of Swords. The Knight of Swords. The Queen of Swords. The King of Swords. And now we are in another suit. So now we're in the Pentacles. So the Ace of Pentacles. The 2 of Pentacles. The 3 of Pentacles. The 4 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles. 6 of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles. The Page of Pentacles. The Knight of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles. And now we're in another suit. We are in the Wands. So the Ace of Wands, the 2 of Wands, the 3 of Wands, the 4 of Wands, the 5 of Wands, the 6 of Wands, the 7 of Wands, 8 of Wands, 9 of Wands, 10 of Wands, the Page of Wands, the Knight of Wands, the Queen of Wands, and the King of Wands. So I want to say thank you so much to Ethony for gifting me this box. I am like so grateful. So once again, this is a limited edition. There are only 2,000 that are going to be sold. And there you go. It says it right there. So if this is a tarot deck that you are in love with, go on over to her website and see if she still has any available. I don't know. Go check it out. And I'm going to leave her website, the link below, so you guys can head on over and see if it's still available. She does have other Oracle decks available, so you can go check out those too. It's like the artwork is just beautiful and stunning. All right. Have an awesome day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow. Leave me a comment. Do you have this deck? Are you going to get this deck? And that's it. Have an awesome day, everybody. Take care. Bye.